Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Sarah, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, September 1st, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 57 degrees. Today we are expecting a high of 70 and a low of 51, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Isabel, Julian, Miley,
Cowan.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now, in sports yesterday, the Cubs won against the Atlanta Braves by a score of 6-2. The Sox lost to the Minnesota Twins by a score of 5-4. And in preseason football, the Bears lost to the Cleveland Browns by a score of 25-0. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are 5th and 6th graders. Please remember to turn your parents' signed Hoover Harmonics permission slips to Miss Bernanke by next Wednesday. Now, a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Sarah. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. We made it through the second week of school. Unless you're a kindergarten student, you made it through the first week of school. We had lots of things going on this week. We are almost done with the week, though, so that's a good thing. I think I told you on Monday that if this was a good week, I would consider something special, and I think it's been a great week. So Monday, we are going to have no school. You get the day off. 3-day weekend. It's also Labor Day. All right. At the Hoover Happening, we had a number of carnival games, and the students, you could have gotten the card to fill out. Looks like this. If you played the games, and we have some prizes for those. So I'm going to draw 12 names, and actually Savannah in room 116 is the first winner. So after announcements, if you could just come down to the main office. Savannah in 116. Let's see here. We've got Simon in 213. Isha in 120, Krisha in 115, Lincoln in 105, Sanvi in 105, I have no idea. Sorry, you need to write legibly. Oh, we already called that name. Amelia in 112, Jasmine in 202. I lost count of how many. That's 8? You sure? All right. I should trust you. Anthony in 106. Emma in 206. How many is that? 10. Just checking. Miley in 206. That's 11. See, this is numeracy. And finally, last but not least, we have, looks like Rhea in room 205. That should be 12? Should be. All right. Just checking. All right, now we've got Herbie high fives. Mix up the yolk really good. Let's see what we got in here. We've got Oliver in 205. We have got Sang in 205. Apparently 205 has loaded up the egg. Good job. We've got Amelia in 206. Sophia in 205. And looks like Mariella in, I think that's 206. 205 and 206 really load this egg up. All right, let's see if we can get one more. We have got Jacqueline in 210. All right. And the primary egg. Ooh, there's a lot more in here. We've got Gia in 113. Claire in 113. Adam in 114. Ethan in 107. Huh. I think we already called Gia's name, right? Yeah. Gia got called twice, so. Let's see here. We've got, looks like Graydon in 114. And the last one for today, who's it going to be? Amy in 113. Good job. Have a great day, or not.
Wait. The girls are going to do the fight song.
Bup.
Huh?
Oh, we're doing the fight song.
What's the school
What are
song?
we doing?
It's the school song. It's not really a fight song.
All right, friends, we've been working all week at learning our Hoover School song, so please join us and sing it on this Friday.
Me,
You
me,
ready?
me, me. I don't know the words, so I need a teleprompter.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go.
Join in. Come here.
Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school
Come on, guys.
we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray.
Nice job. So you have to teach me the words, and I can sing it. That's a complicated song. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Nice try. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger,
You're
Miss
welcome, Sarah.
Bernacki, and Miss Young. Friday's fact is, we are off school on Monday because of Labor Day. Labor Day is celebrated on the first Monday in September. The day is dedicated to the achievements of American workers. It is a yearly national tribute honoring workers that add to the strength, prosperity, and well-being of our country. That's all for today. This week's production has been brought to you by the Confused Kangaroo production team. Today, think about an adult in our school for something they do, and have a fabulous Friday.